I'm back, baby! Yay, yay, yay! We're back, baby! I'm back to making content. I'm easing myself back into the routine. So today we're working on this baby because it's about time. So we've done all of this in the last video, which will be linked in the description, so go check it out. Alright? So let's try and get a straight line today. Let's get going. Okay, I'm just going through the designs, see if there's any cars that I would like to get more angles of. And there's a couple that comes into mind. So the LaFerrari one right there needs a couple more angles. I believe there's a second one that needs more angles. What's it like down there? We seem to be fine with most of them. Huh. Guys, that's the end of today's video. We've done a lot of work on the poster. We're getting so close to the epoxy stage. I'm going to do the rest of the work off camera with the photos, and then I'll see you in the next video when we get the epoxy.